Hey guys, we are
105 Degrees.
I'm Vicky.
I'm Jess.
I'm Jonathan, and today we're reacting to Sungwoon's bird. It's probably like blue.
He got a pet bird and we're reacting to it.
Oh, hell yeah.
No.
There is a bird.
Yeah.
You're not
Ooh, alright. Aww. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, this little choreography here is so cute.
He's so tiny.
Oh my god, this is so good. I really like this.
I know, it's cute.
Ooh. Damn. Oh, so soft. Dang. Oh my god, how cute. Sunny date.
I wonder what you're singing about.
Bird. Aww.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I want my room to look like that. He's flying. Ew.
Cotton candy?
Dude, that's so cute. He wants to fly.
He wants to travel the world like a bird.
That's so cute. Literally, oh my gosh.
I think that's why it's called bird. The bird is him.
Wow.
Oh my god. How many times do you think he fell off that in practice?
Oh, this is like the up movie, right? Okay.
This is so freaking pure.
I know.
DreamWorks.
Dang.
As if he wasn't tiny already and put him on a giant ass chair.
Fuck.
Utopia.
Oh my god.
Dude, this is freaking cute. I love
Yes.
this.
He's like taking on different adventures. How cute.
Oh, he got a fish!
He's flying around everywhere like a bird.
He's free as a bird.
Whoa.
The bird's gone.
Cause he's the bird.
Oh, shit.
Yo. That was so cute. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but yeah. I kind of expected him to do like a slower song. This was kind of like upbeat and cheerful. I really liked it.
Same. I really like the little choreographies that I had it added like throughout the songs. Very smooth. I was like, wow. Yeah.
I liked how it made me feel. It made me feel really happy for some reason.
And
Because it was
that's
very...
the point of the song, to make you happy.
Yeah. It seemed very like innocent and pure. Like, I want to discover the world and travel around and see different things and experience different things. And I think that's what he's doing with like a solo career as well. So, yeah.
Good job, Sungwoon.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.